Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, I'll be showing you the quickest way to make the fluffiest and the yummiest marble cupcakes ever. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. In a bowl, we'll be adding 150 grams of sugar, that is 3/4 cups, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, that is 15 grams. Next, we add 2 grams of salt, that is 1/4 teaspoons, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, that is 11 grams. After that, we mix all the dry ingredients together. Next, we will add half cup of vegetable oil, that is 120 ml. Then we will add 1 cup of milk, that is 240 ml. We mix together until properly combined and until the batter looks so smooth and silky. Once we have finished mixing the batter, we divide into 2 equal parts. Then we add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to 1 part, that is 30 grams. Mix very well until the cocoa powder is properly incorporated and a chocolate batter is formed. Now that we have finished mixing, it's time to scoop the batter into the cupcake tins. Bring your cupcake tins or your muffin tins and layer them with muffin papers. We scoop the 2 batters by alternating with each other. You put the plain and then the chocolate and then the plain and then the chocolate. Once that is done, use a toothpick to swirl the batter to create a beautiful pattern. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the easiest and quickest cupcake recipe with zero stress and amazing results. Look at how the cupcakes turned out. So beautiful. Please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Also check out the channel. There are so many amazing recipes there. I'm sure you'll find something you love. Let me know in the comment section if you're making this recipe at home. Also, I would love to know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.